Every single day, more than 1 billion bottles of water are opened and consumed around the world. From the deserts of Dubai to the mountains of Switzerland, bottled water has become a universal symbol of purity, health, and convenience. But what actually happens inside those gleaming factories before that crystal-clear drop reaches your lips? How is ordinary water turned into something clean enough to last for months on a shelf and safe enough to trust with every sip? Welcome to Factory BTS, where today we dive deep, literally, into the bottled water industry, to uncover how nature's simplest resource becomes one of the most tightly controlled and technologically advanced beverages in the world. Sourcing the water. It all begins at the source, the lifeblood of every bottled water brand. Some companies draw from natural springs or deep aquifers, where water seeps through layers of rock and sand, naturally filtering over decades. Others use municipal tap water, which is then further purified to meet stricter standards. Brands like Evian or Fiji Water protect their natural sources like treasures, controlling entire valleys and mountains to ensure the purity and mineral composition of the water. In contrast, companies like Nestlé Pure Life or Aquafina rely on advanced purification systems to process local water and deliver consistency everywhere. Pre-filtration and sediment removal. Once the raw water reaches the factory, it first passes through coarse filters, removing sand, dirt, and visible particles. This is followed by micron filters, designed to trap impurities as small as a single grain of dust. In many plants, this process involves multiple stages: gravel filters, carbon filters, and ultrafine cartridge filters, each one scrubbing the water cleaner than before. Think of it as a spa treatment for water purification, one layer at a time. Advanced purification. The science of clean. Now comes the heart of the process. Reverse osmosis is often considered the gold standard of purification. Under enormous pressure, water is pushed through semi-permeable membranes that block out dissolved salts, metals, and contaminants, even molecules smaller than bacteria. The result, pure HO molecules, nothing more, nothing less. In some factories, ultraviolet UV light is used to kill any microorganisms, while ozone gas, a powerful natural sanitizer, ensures the water stays safe without affecting its taste. Unlike chlorine, ozone leaves no residue, keeping bottled water crystal clear and odorless. Mineral balancing. Interestingly, after purification, water becomes too pure. It loses its natural taste because minerals like calcium and magnesium are removed. To fix this, brands remineralize the water by carefully adding back measured amounts of essential minerals. This gives the water its characteristic flavor and helps maintain the right pH balance, typically between 6.5 and 8.0. So, when you drink a bottle of water and say, "This tastes clean," it's not just in your head, it's the result of scientific balancing done with microgram precision. Bottle manufacturing, creating the container before the water is even bottled. The bottles themselves are made right inside the factory. Most companies don't transport empty bottles. They produce them on site from PET plastic preforms, tiny test tube-shaped pellets. These preforms are fed into blow molding machines where they reheated and blown into shape using high-pressure air, forming perfectly transparent, lightweight bottles in milliseconds. Producing bottles on site not only saves transport costs but also ensures sterility and precision fit for each filling line. Filling and capping, pure speed meets precision. Now comes the most mesmerizing part, the filling line. Filtered air keeps the environment sterile as bottles move along stainless steel conveyors. In high-speed rotary fillers, bottles are filled by gravity or pressure, up to 30,000 bottles per hour in large facilities. Almost instantly, caps are screwed on, laser-coated with batch numbers, and pass through automated seal checkers. No human hands touch the bottles. It's a fully enclosed, sanitary system designed for zero contamination. Labeling and packaging. Next, the bottles travel through labeling machines that wrap each one in colorful brand sleeves. Labels include nutritional info, manufacturing date, and barcodes, all checked by optical scanners for precision. Then, bottles are grouped into packs -6, 12, or 24, and shrink-wrapped with heat tunnels. Forklifts load pallets onto trucks, and within hours, they're ready to ship to supermarkets, hotels, and vending machines worldwide. Global differences: USA, Europe, Asia. While the core process is similar everywhere, there are fascinating regional differences. In the USA, brands focus heavily on reverse osmosis and consistent taste across states. In Europe, mineral waters like Evian or San Pellegrino emphasize their natural source authenticity, keeping original minerals intact. In Asia and the Middle East, UV and ozone purification are key due to high temperatures and local water challenges. Yet, all share the same goal: safe, refreshing, pure water, no matter where it's bottled. Sustainability and recycling. With billions of plastic bottles produced every year, sustainability has become the industry's biggest challenge. Many factories are now shifting toward 100% recycled PET, lightweight designs, and biodegradable bottles made from plant-based materials. Water companies are also investing in closed-loop recycling, reusing their own waste plastics to make new bottles. Even packaging plants are switching to solar power and energy-efficient compressors to reduce their carbon footprint. The hidden complexity of simplicity behind every sip of bottled water lies an incredible combination of science, engineering, and global logistics. From deep wells to purified drops, from pre-formed to plastic bottle, every step is measured, filtered, sealed, and tested thousands of times a day. So next time you open a bottle of water, take a second to appreciate what's really inside, not just the liquid, but decades of technology, innovation, and precision working in harmony. This is Factory BTS, giving you a look beyond the label, where the world's simplest product is also one of its most sophisticated.